welcome back to Abhi's Hashtag. Today we're going to be seeing a simple recipe called the Nutella bread roll made with Nutella, good for morning breakfast and for school. See the ingredients. So these are the ingredients we needed for the Nutella bread roll. A really simple ingredients that we all have in our home already. So starting with the bread, we'll get a cutting board and cut all the bread's sides. Now get one bread and roll it thin and flat. By this, it'll help you to roll the bread. As you can see, it's thin and flat like a napkin. Do the same thing with all the other breads. Now get one thin roll and take your Nutella and spread it in the bread. You could also use a lot or less, but make sure that it's smooth and even. Now roll the bread and keep it aside. Do the same thing with all the other bread and you'll get something a little like this. Now keep this aside and get a bowl. Make sure that the bowl is a little wide enough for your bread rolls to fit in. Now crack your 2 large eggs. You could also add salt and pepper, but I skipped those 2 here. If you wanted salt and you forgot to add salt in your egg, that's fine because you can add salted butter in the pan. Now coat all your bread rolls like this and keep it in a plate. So as you can see, all of our bread is nice and coated. Now take the pan and spread in your butter, salted or unsalted, and keep all your bread rolls in and toast it. Keep turning it aside for it to cook evenly. Just make sure that your egg is not raw anywhere. So you can see the color golden brown. Now you can take it and keep it in a plate. Now for plating, you can get any type of plate you want, dust it with sugar and keep it in a mountain way. Add in some chocolate syrup and dust it with more sugar. And there you have it, a Nutella bread roll. So right now guys, we have finished making our beautiful Nutella bread roll and it's time for tasting. And with my sister, we're gonna be eating this as our breakfast in the garden. So beautiful to sit in the garden because you can hear the birds singing, surrounded with beautiful plants. So let's enjoy this moment.
So now we can taste.
Yes, so excited. And we'll be later having our jelly dessert. Oh, hard to come on. You like it? Mm-hmm. So good, guys. You have to try this. Oh my god, that's so satisfying. It's time to go for dessert.